So yummy!
Oh, hello everyone and welcome to our kitchen. My name is Chef Shirley and this is Little Chef Tatiana.
Hello everyone!
So do you want to learn how to make these delicious breakfast French toast fingers with us?
Yay!
Alright, so let's wash our hands, stay tuned and we'll see you in a bit. So you will need 2 slices of white bread, some golden syrup or honey, 3 tablespoons of white sugar mixed with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, 4 eggs,
and milk and oil for frying.
So let's get started.
Yay!
Step 1. Cut the crust off all the slices of bread. Oh, and remember to ask Mum for help when using the knife. Step 2. Crack the eggs and beat. Then add in a few drops of milk and continue beating until fully combined. Step 3. Now put your slices of bread into the egg mixture. Make sure that they are well covered. Step 4. It's time to fry. In a large pan, add a little bit of oil. Then, once your oil is hot, fry your French toast for about 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown on each side. Step 5. So all you need to do is cut your French toast slices into fingers. Then cover this in the cinnamon and sugar. And once you're all done with that, drizzle with some honey.
So that's it, delicious breakfast fingers. We hope you enjoyed watching this video.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
See you
Bye-bye.
next time.